guys, welcome back. So in the previous video we made French beignets, so I decided to do a series of recipes from the movie. We're going to do grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, so we're gonna use we have one white milk bread loaf and one wholemeal bread loaf. Okay, that is like 2 days old, like that. So dah keras sikit, so senang nak potong and like, you know, manage on the stove and everything. So I'm gonna do two recipes, okay? One is just something that is easily attainable dekat mana-mana kedai pun lah. You can just use any kind of like, you know, those craft cheese apa semua. I've tried it at home before and okay, sedap je. So one recipe, we're gonna use Mbok punya, ni bukan sponsored, okay? Kita beli semua, okay ni? So one, we're gonna use Mbok American cheddar slices, and the other one, okay guys, make sure you like and subscribe and share with your friends about this video, okay? Jangan lupa subscribe our channel as well, because you know. So the second recipe is a bit on the high-end side, okay? I'm gonna like experiment with like a bunch of different cheese. So we're gonna use Gouda. We're gonna use ada two different cheddar. So this is the white cheddar and like, I don't know, is this like red or yellow cheddar, I think. And then Parmesan, okay? And of course butter. That's really all you need. Like a bit of like olive oil maybe for the pan, but other than that, you're good to go. Let's get on with it. Gonna butter the toast apa semua. So right now masa tengah buat ni semua, you can actually dah start panaskan the pan, okay? Bit of oil, and then more butter. More butter on the griddle ni. Just like, why not, right? The more butter, the better. Okay, then we put the toast. Now I'm gonna flip the, yeah. The thing is, cuma macam with the like American slice cheese ni semua, dia tak ada lah macam yang, tak apa, nanti kita tengok like how the pulling effect on this cheese, okay? Okay, lagi. We want to hear the crunch. Let's hope there's a crunch, okay? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yeah. Okay, like I said, the pulling effect on this cheese is not that great, or probably macam I pun tak bakal lama sangat on the stove, but this is what you get, guys. Okay, so I'm using, panas. I'm using like 2 slices of American American cheese slice, okay? So now we're gonna put this aside so that we can do a taste test with everyone. I'm just gonna cut this into 4. Okay. Let's call everybody in. Okay, so for the second recipe, I don't have like macam proper cheese punya kat rumah. Guna je lah pizza apa ada tak. But okay, so okay, so this is our Gouda. Okay, Gouda ni dah like the one I bought is already like in slices, so tak payah nak potong. Okay, so we have this four cheeses. 4 jenis cheese dah ready. Okay, I'm just gonna cut the white bread. Assemble all the cheese sekarang before we put on the griddle. Okay, tapi on one side je, obviously. So just take one slice. So guys, both dah done. I nak rest kejap je so that the cheese melt a bit more. But yeah, that's it. It's an easy recipe that I think you all can follow. Any bread, any butter, any cheese will do the job. But of course, lain cheese you guna lain rasa, and you can always pair it with like macam roasted tomato soups, or like just eat it like that. Just why not, right? And also, kalau you nak macam letak any other things in it, you can. Like sauteed mushroom ke, or you want to put like those beef, those breakfast strips, right? Like beef bacon, turkey bacon, whatever lah. Whatever you guys want to put, anything you can, okay? So don't forget to try this recipe at home, okay? After this, we're gonna do a taste test with the team, and then yeah. So it's ready. Let's cut this baby up. And you want that ASMR. Okay, so let's cut this baby up. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh. My api is a bit too panas tadi. Okay, so dia tak melt as much as I want it. But it's fine. We can just like, I'm just gonna like put it on the stove kejap so that it melt lagi lebih, and then we'll get back to tasting them. Need to make sure that you need to make sure that you masak benda ni on low to medium, apa panggil? Heat, yes, correct, heat. So yeah, jangan terlampau panas sangat pan itu, because inilah hasil dia kalau pan panas sangat, nampak? It's not like the middle part. If you can see, dia tak fully melted yet. So I'm just gonna put this on the stove kejap for like few minutes, and then we'll try it. Okay, so testing time. Okay, so kenapa muka kau macam tu? So, kita try yang the one we use American slice ni dulu. Okay, so yeah guys, dig in. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tapi macam jangan pedut sikit sebab well. Okay, I think we gotta try. Dah makan? dah boleh judge. Okay? Now we take this one because it's still hot.
Yeah, yang banyak cheese ni.
So this one is this one I guna white milk bread. Yang tadi tu I guna whole milk bread. Ooh, pulling effect jadi. Oh guys, look. Woo.
Obviously this one ada better flavor profile lah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my god.
So
Dia macam dah telan, I mean dah makan. Bila you start kunyah and then the flavour just meletup dalam mulut. Dalam mulut tak ada, dalam mulut, okay? Okay guys, so don't forget to try. And then jangan lupa subscribe our YouTube channel, okay? Apron Foods.